It's Jay, and I am back with another video on how to add font to Phonto. It's quick and simple, I promise you. And the website, there's tons of fonts on there, so let me help you out. So what you want to do is open Safari, go to thefont.com. Alright, let me go back. Alright, you're going to click all the new fonts, and this website has like tons of fonts, so you could just go through it. But the one I'm going to be doing today or downloading is the Lazy Monday. You know, because it's Monday today, you know. So, Lazy Monday, you click download, and you're going to click that top right arrow, the little blue, you know, with the circle around it. You click that, then you're going to click the font you just downloaded. You're going to click it, the zip one, all right, and it should open up a folder, the blue folder. You click that, and you click the Phonto. Lazy Monday. Simple, right? Then you go to bottom left. You open it with Phonto and install. That's it, and click OK. That's all you got to do. Plain images. Let me show y'all. All right, click add text. Use and save. Add text, and there you go. Ain't that beautiful? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Y'all already know.